Good morning, snipers. I hope you all are having an amazing time in the market. I'm back with another video where we are talking about 3 investing strategies that has made me a lot of money. You will definitely not believe strategy 2 that I use, and it is not something many investors talk about in the markets. The first strategy is trying to diversify your portfolio. When I say diversifying your portfolio, I'm not talking about trying to build a portfolio with different stocks. Try to build a portfolio with stocks that you know, but then try to be in a situation where you know what the risk and reward are. So for example, I have top tier 1 stocks, I have tier 2 stocks, and then I have the tier 3 stocks, which are a little bit riskier. Top tier 1 are basically Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, Google, you name it, all these stocks which have a diversified portfolio among themselves. Tier 2 stocks are something like Palo Alto Networks, Chipotle Mexican Grill, right? These are stocks which are amazing. Like Walmart is another top tier 2, I believe. These are amazing stocks. These are cash flow positive stocks. But then, there is a risk that there is a potential for that particular sector to have a disruption and these stocks might fall off, right? But these top 2 tier stocks, I tend to have 60 to 80% of weighting in my long-term portfolio while I'm trading them as well on a regular basis. With investing, I have a time frame or a mindset about 5 to 7 to 10 years. And with trading, I just have a mindset of about 2 to 3 weeks. That's mostly it. When it comes to tier 3 stocks, I keep some reserve cash for stocks like GME. When they explode, they explode. I caught the run on Tilray. I caught the run on GME. There is a lot of FOMO, right? And then when you're talking about tier 3 stocks, I also invest in something like Rivian, right? Which is a great company. Which is they make great cars, but then they are not cash flow positive. They are just there which have a potential to growth, right? So something like that is what I'm talking about in the tier 3 sector. So where to buy these companies and how to buy them and when to invest in them, is it too expensive, all the levels, how you draw those levels is something that I'll go over in this series, in the 3-part series, where I'm going to talk about the strategy first. The second strategy is I'm going to talk about a skew that you see in option premium. Usually when you're talking about option premium, you see a skew towards the put side. But then when I see a skew towards the call side is when I start to sell some covered calls. And that is where I essentially also think there is a market topping pattern coming up. This skew was exactly what I saw when I was telling snipers last time to sell covered calls, to stay away from investments if you are looking to get into the market. And you all know what happened to the market after July's first week. Last but not the least, one of the most important strategies is averaging up on my investments that I already have. I do this by doing cash secured puts. I will go over what cash secured puts and how I kind of go over those levels and when I want to do this, and how I talked about opening our wallets when the market kind of dipped is something that I'll go over in the part 3. You all know what happened to the market after we talked about opening our wallets. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video to show that you are interested in this 3-part course, and definitely check out our Discord at snipertrades.org for more real-time market insights. Thanks a lot.